Hi, it's Timothy again. I'm going to show you how to make a nice walking stick from just a piece of wood by using only 3 tools. Number 1, an axe. Number 2, a machete. And last but not least, just a little piece of sandpaper. See you out when I'm going out to cut the piece of wood. So I'm here in the woods, looking around, going to try to find a good piece of wood to use for the walking stick. I love this one. This breaks. It's not worthwhile. That might be a good piece. I'm gonna keep looking. There goes a rabbit. Ooh, I don't like this piece. I'm going too far. Yes. No, I'm gonna this piece. Yeah. So I'm gonna do this piece of wood. I'll get back with you once I get it cut. So I've got it cut here. Nice piece of wood. Fits perfectly. It's really nice and sturdy. So, meet you back where I'm gonna go carve this thing. Now, I have 2 tools, an axe and a machete. I'm gonna be using to carve this into more of a walking stick type. I have this, pretty dull, but to work. Then I have this nice sharp axe, which I'm giving all the credit to the sharpness of this axe to my cousins Aaron, Nathan, Caleb, and JJ Daggett for sharpening this thing up nice and sharp. First thing you're going to want to do is strip off all the bark. Get rid of all the knots. Make it nice and smooth. So there it is. Got all the bark off. It's not done yet. Figure out what I want to use to shave it, and then to shave it, it'll be all set. So I'm back. I have might need this axe and the machete. Lay up to the side. Let's get to sanding. So you're just gonna, because you have a lot of these things that stick up, you're just gonna try to sand it down so they all fall off. Now it's time to test out the strength of this. overall I did pretty good. Nothing got broken here. Sort of got just a little bit cracked there, but still. See? Got a little bit cracked there. But that was from when I whacked it really hard. It's pretty sturdy. Still, I can use it because it's on the bottom side. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Bye.